Hello YouTube, and yeah, today I'll be doing a pack opening. So yesterday I was going to do a Red Players pack opening and packs were 50k, but I only had 44k and I never got around to selling the player to make up 5k, but don't worry, I'll be doing a pack opening right now. I think it's a jumbo pack opening, premium jumbo pack, and they cost 15k, so I can open 3 of them. So let's go to store, let's click the holiday offer, and let's go in with the first premium jumbo pack. Ooh, I didn't see who we got there, so Lucas Leiva, not too bad. Pop off again. Yeah, I could just send these. I store the fitness stuff, send to the Trey Park, send might as well. Wow, I've got loads of junk. Hawk store. I store all of these stuff. They're just used. I don't know how to store them. And quick sell the rest. 102 coins. Let's go for another one, and we should. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Oh, was that an 86 rated or 83 rated player? Ah, Pirlo, yes. He goes for like 20k. That's a nice pull. Got Fred as well. Got some silvers. Oh, but actually Barcelona kit. Not bad. Dunno, shall I keep... I've got a Real Madrid kit at the moment, so nah, I won't. Yeah, I store all of these. You know that already. And... Store. And quick sell the rest. Do I get enough coins to open another pack? Wow, I am 34 coins off. Let's just go. Let's go and quick sell something else in my club. Club items. Don't want that. There, got enough. I should have done that before the vid, but hey. Last one, come on, can we pull Ronaldo, Inform Di Maria, Bale, Ozil? Oh, I'm speechless. That was a horrible pack. Arthur Mateo, Sessignon, not bad. He's a rare. Wow. That pack was just not worth 15k. Yeah, that's what I can say. So yeah, if you enjoyed this pack opening, I did get a nice player. Pirlo. If you did enjoy it, then please leave a like on this description, like on this video, and on the basically as soon as I hit 200k subscribers, I'll be giving away another 100k. And yeah, I gave away 100 subscribers when I got to. I gave away 100k on Ultimate Team when I got to 100 subscribers. So I'll be giving away another 100k when I get to 200 subscribers, which I'm 20 off. Oh, Pirlo, 22k, not bad. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, I'll just lift him up for 15k. 15k? Not sure. List them up for 17,500. 21. So yeah, that's it for this pack opening. Do you think it went well? Say yes if it did, say no if it didn't. You get the gist. Making you guys watch me list all these players, because I'm bossing you around. So yeah, that was it for this pack opening. For me, it didn't go terribly well, but I got an 86 rate player, so I'm okay with it. And peace.